Good morning from Mansfield, Ohio.
Look at all the toys.
Last night was okay. Liam didn't get his bed out. He just slept on the couch, and he didn't really like that. Ben's in Ohio. We're gonna get some breakfast at Cracker Barrel and then hit the road.
Cracker Barrel. Where are we? Cracker Barrel. Yeah, where are we? Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel. Spider on me. I'm cooking.
Hey guys.
I'm excited. I'm going to prison.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
So what did you think?
Good.
Did you think that was cool?
Yeah.
What about you, Mommy? What did you think?
That was really cool.
It was really cool. It's a pretty building, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Mama, sweet advice. She said the simple things are the best things in life. She had a recipe that she gave to me. She said, boy, if you do what I say, you'll be alright, alright.
Hey boys, we made it to Cleveland. We are about 15 minutes from where we're parking. All right, we made it to the parking lot. We had a little bit of a wrong turn dilemma, which was a little stressful in this bus, but this is a pretty cool parking lot. It's right behind the Browns Stadium, the Huntington Bank Field. Pretty cool, huh? And then it's also right here at the port on Lake Erie.
Dada!
What's up, Booger?
Where are we going?
So we have to go over here to figure out how to pay for the parking spot. You want to show them the bus?
Uh-huh.
It's a good parking place. You can park overnight.
We are going to pay. What does it feel like to fly? Let me know in the comments what is it like to fly.
promise me you'll come with me when I go.
Do you know what all of these names are? These are all people that fought and died in the Civil War.
Take my hand, I won't let go. I know everything's lighting up. Oh, the sun burns so much brighter now, and the warm light glows like fire now. And you know
Hello.
Look at the new We're going back down to...
Oh, should I Google it real quick? Just make sure it's not like $37 a plate or something.
Yeah. Huh? I'm going around in a circle. There's a big bus. Yeah. What are you doing, Liam? Nothing. Who's recording me the whole time?
Thank you. Oh, this place is cool. Do the floss. Broken ankles.
I think one of these are our ears.
No. That might be him behind that bus. Or that truck, that bus, that Jeep. No, the Volkswagen right there.
Which one, that one?
Huh? Hey, listen, a car's getting ready to come out. What's up, Min?
Hey,
How you doing?
good?
You guys tired?
Yeah.
What a day, right?
Uh-huh.
How was dinner?
Good.
Was it good? We are bushed. We're back in the bus. We're gonna get all the beds up out and ready to go and cozy, and we're gonna turn in because we got a busy day tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Love you, Finn. Love you, Liam.
Love you.
We'll see you guys in the morning.